So 65th question is, which of the following carbocation is expected to be most suitable? So we have to answer that which of the following carbonation is expected to be most stable. So we have to tell which of these four molecule is stable. So the answer will be second one, Hy plus NO2. This will be stable from all of this because there is NHY in the same and it has H in and from one differentiation from apart one this and from the second line we have this, and so this will be stable because it has same in this have same line with H all of. So that's the answer, second one. Thank you.